Believe it or not, these technologies can drive on roads, fly in the sky, and even find their own way. The future of transportation is so advanced it will blow your mind. Yay, C-Gov transforms from a car into a drone. A passenger can switch from driving on the road to flying in the sky. This is called a hybrid land-air vehicle. It is designed for personal transportation in the future. You get both car and drone benefits in one vehicle. Inside, it has flight control, GPS, and safety systems. The passenger can choose to drive on the road or fly in the air. Honda Moto Compacto looks like a small scooter. One person can easily fold it and carry it in a bag. On a full charge, it can travel around 19 to 25 kilometers. Its speed is about 24 kilometers per hour. It is suitable for short city roads or daily office commuting. It is environmentally friendly because it is fully electric. This compact electric bike can be easily carried by hand or in a bag. Zui Jiangwang U-Wave is a type of electric SUV designed for off-road driving. The vehicle can float on water, which is very rare. It can rotate 360 degrees, making parking very easy. Its hydraulic suspension makes rough roads feel smooth. Inside, it offers advanced technology for passenger comfort. It is not just a car, but can also work as a rescue vehicle. Sky Train in China does not run on roads, but hangs and moves below the track. It travels at around 60 kilometers per hour. Since it is electric, it does not harm the environment. The inside of the train is modern, comfortable, and quiet. Inventions is a drone-like flying taxi. This taxi can carry 2 passengers, does not require a pilot because it can fly automatically. It allows people to travel through the air, avoiding city traffic. It flies along a fixed route and delivers passengers to their destination. Inside, it has GPS sensors and an AI control system. This taxi is safe because every flight is pre-programmed. Yamaha Motoroid is a bike that can balance itself, recognize its rider by face, and even follow the rider automatically. It uses AI technology. The bike responds to the rider's body movements for control. This is not an ordinary bike, but a kind of mechanical companion. It can move toward the rider without being touched. Raptor is a small 3-wheeled electric scooter with a speed of around 30 kilometers per hour. Its parts can be separated and carried easily. It does not require a license to operate. It is most suitable for people who travel short distances. Ride Kangaroo looks like a kangaroo. It is a type of robot that carries goods, can operate both indoors and outdoors. It is used for transporting groceries or small items. It does not require a driver and can move on its own. It is equipped with sensors, cameras, and an AI control system. It can recognize people on the road and avoid obstacles by itself. Robotaxi is a driverless taxi that can carry 4 passengers. It can move in both directions, meaning it is the same from front and back. Using sensors, it can detect roads, people, and other vehicles. This taxi has advanced safety systems. Inside, there is no steering wheel. Everything is automatic. Amazon has developed this technology for urban use. Passengers only need to set the destination, and the vehicle takes them there automatically. Xpeng Xsun is a type of flying car. It can drive on the ground and also fly in the air. Its flight speed is about 130 kilometers per hour. On a single charge, it can fly for up to 35 minutes. Inside, it has flight control, sensors, and AI systems. Although it looks like a normal car, its technology is highly advanced. It helps reach areas outside cities or difficult terrains quickly. Xpeng has developed this vehicle for personal flight. Jump Aero. One is designed for emergency medical transport. Like a drone, it can reach remote areas quickly. It can carry patients or medical equipment. It can land easily in small spaces. Inside, it has GPS, sensors, and AI control systems. This vehicle helps save time in emergency services. It is considered a new form of future ambulance.